you say?
No, we're not doing it.
Come on.
What, shaking?
Never heard of it.
Shaking.
Give us a little intro.
I know, that's what they used to
That
play.
was from Texas.
Watch the Bird Circuit play.
All right.
They played it. When
Kick
did they
ass.
play it?
I hear they're real good.
Extreme close-up.
Oh man,
It's
too much. It's too much badass. Hair metal guy. Oh, love this guy. Look at this guy.
And they've been doing this the whole way here.
Paging bongo. Paging bongo.
Oh yeah.
Welcome to the Bird Circuit Festival. We are the Lilacs.
Throw stuff.
Love it.
No, thanks for having us. This is our first song. It's on a record you can buy over here. All right, my man's going to step it up. In red.
Welcome to the 2003 Lilac Festival.
3/4 sleeve, 4/4. We can get the fried onion.
You have no idea how good it's going to feel when you buy a record.
Lots more fun.
Everything happens.
Take it home with you, folks.
Everything. It's a full body high.
So hard, work so hard, and I was shooting star.
Anybody want to stand up? It's beautiful. You can sit all night. Stand your ass up. Sorry about the language, but you know.
Hey,
The A word I feel
it's a family affair.
Shooting star, shooting star.
I
He's a nice
guarantee
kid.
by the time we're done with this song, there's going to be so many huge smiles out there. I mean, you're screwed.
Shooting star, shooting star.
Give this gentleman a face guy. He needs whiskey. This whiskey.
Yeah, oh.
Make it.
Woo!
I love iced tea. I had to have one. In roll, the bitter towards the only choice I know. I hate to be a jerk. Can I have more of me?
Oh man.
Everywhere.
Okay, we got 3 more songs, so dig in, pull your jeans up, take your hands out of your pants, and let's make it happen. We just finished up a huge tour, in fact, so we're so happy to be home. We played the Tulip Festival in Minneapolis. We just got done with the Dandelion Festival over in Columbus.
Chestnut,
we did the
Chestnut Throw.
We did
Chestnut Throw.
Chestnuts Row. We did the huge Row Festival in Pennsylvania. You know, the flower circuit is just a huge thing for us, and we always like to finish up with the Lilac because it really is the king of flowers, and I think you guys would all agree.
Oh yeah.
Love it.
Love that.
All right, thank you. Can I get a beer from somebody?
Hey, Dave. I'll be back. Hey, Dave. I'll be back to pick you up later. Come on. What do you need?
You said. Thank you. Come on, put them together. How about the Bird Circuit?
Love them.
They're nice people up here.
Do it, break it. Get it, good. Oh!
Thanks for supporting us and being so sweet. We love you. Most of you.